Lesson 1.4, proportional and non-proportional relationships. So two quantities are proportional if they have a constant ratio or unit rate. For relationships in which this ratio is not constant, the two quantities are non-proportional. So your vocabulary words there are proportional and non-proportional. Andrew earns $18 per hour for mowing lawns. Is the amount of money he earns proportional to the number of hours he spends mowing? Explain. So the first thing you do is you find the unit rate, like what we did in 1.1. So that is what you do. So you take 18 divided by 1, which is 18. Whoop, highlighter mode. Take 36 divided by 2, which is 18. Take 54 divided by 3, which is 18. Take 72 divided by 4, which is 18. And so because all of these simplify to be 18, we know that this is a proportional relationship. So yes, it is proportional. And on the explain, as long as you have shown me this, even that's just like the little amount of work I need to see, somewhere to show that you've divided these and you got 18 for all of them, then yes, it's proportional is all I need to see is the answer. Uptown Tickets charges $7 per baseball game ticket plus a $3 processing fee per order. Is the cost of an order proportional to the number of tickets ordered? Explain. So you're going to take the cost divided by the ticket order, and that's 10 divided by 1 is 10. Then you're going to take 17 divided by 2, and that's 8.5. We can already see that it is not going to be proportional. We're going to go ahead and finish it out though. 24 divided by 3 is 8, and 31 divided by 4 is 7 and 75/100ths. After you do 2, you can see that it's not proportional, but the reason that I would say to finish it is because what if everybody makes errors, and what if you made a division error there, and then on the others they were all the same, then you might check this one again because you might go, oh, there's only one that's not proportional, and that's possible, but just to double check your work. And since these are all not the same number, this is non-proportional relationship. And again, they explain as long as you have some work, you're good. Number 3, you can use the recipe shown to make a fruit punch. Is the amount of sugar used proportional to the amount of mix used? Explain. So you take the cups of sugar and divide by the envelope mix, and that gets you 1/2. You take the cups of sugar, divide by the envelope mix, and that gets you 1/2. You take the cups of sugar, 1.5 divided by 3 is 1/2. And 2 divided by 4 is 1/2. So this is, yes, it is proportional. Okay, the tables shown represent the number of pages Martin and Gabriel read over time. Which situation represents a proportional relationship between the time spent reading and the number of pages read? Explain. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take the number read divided by time. So 3 divided by 5 is 3/5. 4 divided by 10 is 4/10, which reduces to 2/5. And 7 divided by 15 is just 7/15. On this one you have Martin. You take 2 divided by 5, which is 2/5. 4 divided by 10, which you reduce that, and it's 2/5. 6 divided by 15, you reduce that, and you get 2/5. So Martin is the proportional relationship.